Are you wondering what the future holds for the housing market? Well, you, Piper, and just about everyone else is too. While no one has a crystal ball that can predict what's going to happen this year, there are literally hundreds of financial experts who have weighed in on what they think is coming in 2024. Watch this video to the end for a valuable tip if you plan to get into a home at a lower price this year. The good news is that interest rates should come down according to experts, which I know is going to make a lot of people very happy. There are a few reasons for this, but the easiest way to explain it is that inflation is easing, which means rates should too. Let's look at where we are compared to this time last year to start with. Last year, we saw the rates hit 8%, which did cause a slowdown in home sales. The inventory remained low in spite of the slowdown. Why? Well, the homeowners that wanted to move held off because of the rates. They didn't want to lose the low interest rate they already had, and buying a home with 8% interest rates was not ideal. So as you can see from this illustration, prices have gone up a bit since last year, but not by much. The rates did cause a stabilization in home prices, but we're starting to see that this is short-lived. We are already seeing multiple offers on homes again. Since September of last year, we have seen the interest rates drop about 1%. They've gone from 7.125 to 7.875%, depending on whether you're paying a point or not, to 6.25 to 6.75% today. What this looks like in actual numbers to someone buying $1 million home with an $800,000 loan is a difference of about $542 a month. That's a lot. The Fed announcing that they are going to cut the rates has motivated a lot of buyers to jump back into the market. Lenders are seeing buyers' loan applications go up more than 10 times what they were this time last year. The good news is that this is also motivating homeowners that delayed their plans to move to finally put their homes on the market, which means more homes for sale. So what this boils down to is this. If the Fed cuts the rates like they say they're going to, we're expecting this to happen sometime between March and the end of May. There could be some volatility in between, which is normal, but the expectation is that the rates should drop another 1%. My tip is this. If you want to buy a home this year, do not wait. You have a narrow window between now and May to still get into a home at a lower price with less competition, which means a little more negotiating power. If you're waiting for the rates to drop more, you're going to miss your window of opportunity because as soon as the rates fall into the 5% range, we're expecting it to get nuts again, and we could see another market like we experienced in 2021. So if you want to get in at a lower price with better terms, don't wait. And the reason I'm saying this is because once the prices start to climb, there's no going back. If they're going to continue to climb for the next 5 years, every month that goes by, you're going to be paying more for that same house. What that means is if you're buying an $800,000 home today, in a month or 60 days from now, that $800,000 home could be $875,000. And there's no going back from there. The rates are a moving target. So essentially, lock in the price now. You have a window to do that. If the rates continue to come down, so what if you have to refinance in 6 months or a year? That's the easier part. Coming in at the lower price, that's the hard part. And that's why I say you've got a window right now. So if you want to get in at a lower price with better terms, don't wait and do what all the other buyers are doing right now, waiting for the rates to drop. They're projecting home prices are going to continue to rise for the next 4 to 5 years. Want to talk more about this and see what it all means for you? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Just reach out with the info on your screen or scan the QR code to set up a time to chat. If you found this helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, or comment down below and let me know about what questions you have or what topic you'd like me to talk about in my next video. Thanks and bye for now.